Now that you've seen a few examples of the central limit theorem, I encourage you to pause here, do the problem on your own, and then come back to see if you got it right. A military officer needs 35 men from his unit for a covert mission. He wants the men to be smart enough to understand the details of the mission, so the average IQ of the 35 men must be greater than 98. The IQs of the men in his unit are normally distributed with mean of 96, standard deviation of 16, and if the officer is given a simple random sample of 35 men from his unit, find the probability he gets what he needs. The mean IQ is greater than 98. Now you may still be drawing the graph, which is great. Some of you have kind of gotten this idea in your head that you don't need the picture anymore. I encourage you to still write the information. Mu is 96, sigma is 16. N, our group size, is 35. And you could also write it in symbols since we're finding probability. P, X is greater than 98. Either way, we're using normal CDF. Lower boundary is 98, upper boundary is 9999, mu is 96, and sigma is 16, but remember, because we have a group, we're finding an average of the group, it is divided by the square root of 35. And I wanted to make sure that you felt comfortable with that on your graphing calculator. So I'm pulling up mine. I've already typed in the 98, 9999, 96. Remember, for the sigma, you can type in the 16 divided by the square root, second x squared, of 35. And sometimes people leave out the division or the square root. Make sure you have both of them. And then we can paste and enter to get our answer. If we go 4 decimal places, 0.2298. If you're having trouble typing that into your graphing calculator, make sure that you contact your teacher for help.